Yeah. I'm hearing talk about the best. Well, I'ma call out any bitch who spit who figure she the realest to exist. A nigga living for the shit. Challenge my life. All threats I accept, inhaled and spit death. And every bar got my lungs stressed. Before I get the chance to exhale, I'm performing abortions on my breath until there's none left. And I'ma take that shit. Threats dripping off my lips, nigga, taste that spit. You got a pussy ass flow, then I'ma break that shit. My rhymes cockier than most of niggas take that dick. Yeah. Real pretty with a foul ass mouth, and the titties got niggas thinking I can't take them out. Your God made a bitch, but he also equipped my mouth with the ability to rip and flip the shit you talk. And I'm hawking you niggas and bitches who feel that they reside in the position of best rapper alive. Yeah, I heard that line repeatedly. Got a brother in the boo with 4 eyes, and he the only nigga seeing me, or is he? And we can end a debate, twin. I'll challenge 1 and 2. Next track, we can spit 64 straight, me and you, and show these niggas how the realest do. I'm finna do these motherfucking beats so cold like a leech. I will feast till my teeth foam froze like a slug. I'ma shrink to defeat your soul like a leech. I will feast on the mic so deadly and spit slugs that hold heat so ready to fuck up whatever dumb fuck your tongue run up and get your gums bust, cause my tongue tough and ready to do numbers. I'm honest, lead the truth, and they lied if they told you it was you. You don't believe me? I'm breathing proof. And you can listen, but bitch, you can't see me. No, you never seen me. S-P-A-D-E. Yeah.